The major question is what makes an election democratic? Elections को डेमोक्रेटिक कौन बनाता है? What makes an election democratic? Everyone should be able to choose. This means that everyone should have one vote and every vote should have equal value. हम जो वोट कास्ट करते हैं उसका वैल्यू इक्वल है. फॉर एग्जांपल धीरू भाई अंबानी या अनिल अंबानी और मुकेश अंबानी वोट कास्ट करेंगे या फिर एक ठेला चलाने वाला वोट कास्ट करेगा, दोनों का वैल्यू एक ही होगा. That is one of the important better aspect, good aspects of democratic value that we have discussed in chapter number 1. One person, one vote, one value. There should be something to choose from. Parties and candidates should be free to contest elections and choose some of the real choice to the voters. वोटर्स के पास एक रियल चॉइस होगी. ऑन द बेस ऑफ दिस रियल चॉइस कैंडिडेट शुड बी इलेक्टेड थ्रू द प्रोसेस ऑफ इलेक्शंस एंड एवरीवन कैंडिडेट शुड बी एबल टू टू कंटेस्ट इलेक्शन. कैंडिडेट्स के पास भी चॉइस होगी कि उसके पास जो है, जो कैंडिडेट इलेक्शन में खड़े हो कई सारे हैं. वेराइटीज ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स आर देयर, डिफरेंट लेवल्स ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग इज देयर. देन आउट ऑफ देन वी कैन चूज बेटर choice from them. Then the third one is the choice should be offered at regular intervals. ये choice हमें regular intervals में होना चाहिए. For example, in our country we used to elect candidates after every 5 years. हमारे यहाँ पर 5 साल में एक बार चुनाव होते हैं. Elections must be held regularly after every few years. Like say, as I told you, in every 5 years we organize elections to elect our candidates. Fourth one is the candidate preferred by the people should get elected. People cast their votes and altogether all people cast their votes, and those candidate who get maximum vote will win the election. Fifth one is election should be conducted in a free and fair manner. Means that we can cast our vote without any interruption or any other ways. We can feel every other pressure we can cast our vote. manner where people can choose as they really wish. जिसको चाहते उसी को चुने. That is another important aspect as well. In that manner, this system makes all these above mentioned points will make an election democratic. In upcoming parts, we'll discuss about the how to apply the conditions and elections held on our own country and to see again call this democratic election. Why we call it at democratic elections? Major question is this political competition healthy? क्या political competition healthy है? Is it good to have political competition? Political competition democracy के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. Because if you don't get choices, आप जैसे दौड़ते हो, जैसे रनिंग का फोटोग्राफ दे रखा है, वैसे आप अभी रेस में हिस्सा लेते हो, तो अगर आप अकेले भागोगे तो क्या आपको पता चलेगा आपकी स्पीड क्या है, आपको किससे आगे निकलना है. इन अ वेरी सेम वे इन इलेक्शन वेरियस पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज आर वेरी नेसेसरी. इलेक्शंस आर ऑल अबाउट पॉलिटिकल कंपटीशन. इलेक्शंस क्या होते हैं? पॉलिटिकल कंपटीशन होते हैं. Political competition. This competition takes various forms. In most obvious form is the competition among political parties. As I told you earlier, BJP, Congress, Bahujan Samaj Party, Shiv Sena, etc. They all together take part in elections, and those party will get the maximum seat. They win the elections. At the constituency level पर क्या होता है? It is form of competition among several candidates. If there is no competition, election will become pointless. अगर चुनाव में कंपटीशन नहीं होगा तो इलेक्शन लेस हो जाएगा. जैसे हम किसी एग्ज़ाम में बैठते हैं, वहाँ कंपटीशन नहीं हुआ तो हमारी काबिलियत का पता कैसे चलेगा. An electoral competition has many demerits. It creates a sense of unity and functionalism in every locality. That is another important aspect. You should have heard of people complaining of party politics in your locality. Different political parties and leaders often often level elections again one another against one another. Parties and candidates use dirty tricks to win elections. You often heard about that this political party candidates will use money power, muscle power to threat the people, to bribe the people. लोगों को रिश्वत दे रहा है, पैसे बांट रहा है, चुनावी हथकंडे अपना रहा है, लोगों को बरगला रहा है, दारू शराब बांट रहा है. All these things are issues. So these are the dirty tricks to win the elections by the some of the candidates. Some people say that this pressure to win electoral fights does not allow sensible long term politics to be formulated. Long term politics में इस प्रकार के हथकंडे अच्छे नहीं हैं. Some good people who may wish to be a part of political country or they want to run a system do not enter in arena. इस राजनीति में वो लोग आएंगे ही नहीं. जैसे अच्छे लोग जो चाहते हैं हम चुना सोचते हैं अच्छे लोग चुन के आए, लेकिन अच्छे लोग इस प्रकार के हथकंडे अपनाते रहे तो कौन आएगा. They do not like the idea of being done into the healthy competition. They will not think about the system. वो सिस्टम में आना ही नहीं चाहेंगे. Our constitution makers were aware about these problems. हमारे चुनाव के जो संविधान निर्माता थे, they were aware about all these problems, yet they opted for free competition in elections, the way to select their future leaders. They did so because the system works better in long run. उनको पता था कि सिस्टम लॉन्ग रन में अच्छा चलेगा. Political leaders all over the world, like other professionals, are motivated by desire to advance their political careers. उनके political career को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए जैसे प्रोफेशनल लोग करते हैं, अगर मैं अच्छा काम करूँगा तो अच्छा प्रॉफिट मिलेगा, अच्छा डेवलपमेंट होगा. सेम वे इन political leaders also want to do so. They may wish to serve the people as well, but it is risky to depend early on their sense of duty. If the political leaders run the government successfully, people will re-exam. Otherwise, they will lose the elections. दो लोग चुनाव में उसको फिर से वो उसका रियल टेस्ट होगा. एग्ज़ाम में जैसा हमारा होता है वैसे ही इलेक्शन में उसका टेस्ट होगा और वो उसको फिर से इलेक्ट किया जाएगा. इफ़ they fail to do so, they will lose the elections as well. The people have a right to choose or reject the leaders. हमारे पास राइट होता है जिसको हम चूज़ कर सकते हैं या फिर इलेक्ट कर और रिजेक्ट कर सकते हैं. Organizing regular election will have a chance to assess the political party whether it is functioning properly or not. Either functioning is proper, then people will realize the government. लोग गवर्नमेंट पे विश्वास करेंगे, अदरवाइज इनको छोड़ देंगे. So whoever political party is running is motivated only by desire to be power, and they try to do good task. वो हमेशा अच्छा काम करने की कोशिश करते हैं. They try to run successfully good performance to satisfy the needs of people. Otherwise, in next election, people will give other political parties to rule. So every political party, they are contesting in the election to be a part of power. So they make various promises. But ultimately the choice is there for the voters to elect them in the elections. If they do good, they will re-elect by the people. If they don't do anything for the country, or they will do for them only, they will lose the elections. That's it for the video. In upcoming parts, we'll discuss about the process of elections in next module.